16 in 1854 in Dublin, son of Sir William White, who was an eye doctor, and his mother, Jane Francisca Elgin, who was a poet and journalist. He was the author of Playing and a Poet. Oscar Wilde was a popular literary figure in Victorian England. He graduated from Oxford University and he was named works for including the picture of Dorian Gray. He died at the age of 46 in Paris, France. Oh, I'm tired of being treated bad and being raped by a pair of kids. I need respect because I'm a ghost. I can't believe this family American are not scared of me. Only I have one job and I can do it correctly.
I am sorry for you, but my brothers are going back to Eton tomorrow and then the ball is on your court. Please don't let insult to injury. No one will annoy you. Just remember that you cannot make an omelette without breaking some eggs.
It is absurd asking to behave myself. I must rattle my chains and run through keyholes and walk about at night. It is my only reason for existing.
It is no reason at all for existing, and you know you have been very nasty. Mrs. Honley told us that you have killed your wife.
Well, I quite admit it, but my patience was run out with my wife. She was nice and she knew nothing about cookery. However, it is all over how, and I don't know and think it is nice of her brothers for starting me to.
Started to death? Oh, poor ghost. I mean, dear Simon, are you hungry? I have a sandwich in my case. Would
No.
you like it?
No, thank you. You have ever eaten anything now, but it is very kind of you. You are not a chief of the old dog. You are much nicer than the rest of your rude, dishonesty family. You have broke the ice with me, and I am very thankful.
Stop! It is you who are rude, and as for dishonesty, you stole the things out of my box to remove that ridiculous blood stain in the library. You only made matters worse. First, you took all my red, and I couldn't do any more sunsets. And then you took green and yellow. Finally, I had nothing left but blue and white. And I could only do moonlight things, which are not at all easy to paint.
Please don't go, Miss Virginia. I am so unhappy and I really don't know what to do. I want to sleep and I cannot. I haven't eaten for sack for 300 years and I'm so tired.
Poor ghost. Have you no place where you can sleep?
Well, I know a place where I could sleep. It's the garden of the churchyard. But